Day 97 of documenting my life. My name is Wow Mujib and I document my life every single day. And this is my day 97. Welcome. So today was not such a productive day just like yesterday. But yesterday I did upload a long video and I got 116 views and I got 2 subscribers, 1 or 2 subscribers. I don't know who it was, who that angel is. I want to thank him or her from the bottom of my heart for subscribing because it means a lot to me. Because me doing a backflip and getting 2000 views and getting 1 or 2 subscribers is different than me doing a long ass podcast wherein I'm very vulnerable or talking directly openly from the heart and getting a subscriber because I want people who would watch me speaking like this in an event 2 years down the line. So I would want this kind of viewers and subscriber more than somebody who would watch me do something interesting or something calisthenics or doing a joke and subscribing. Those things will come eventually. Naturally, that's part of my life. My name is Wang Jim. I have bipolar disorder. I have done stand-up comedy. I have been a calisthenic athlete and a trainer. There are a lot of things to my name. That's why I call myself Wow. So I got removed from stand-up comedy group twice. Stand-up comedians by nature are misfits. These people have been misfits in the school. They are misfits in society. That's why their job is weird. What describe me the job of a stand-up comedian? Make jokes and get living. Karunesh Salwar का एक joke है. He went to Karunesh Salwar is an Indian stand-up comedian. He goes to a grocery shop and he's like, "ये chips में am I buying these chips from my jokes? This is how I am." ये मेरे जोक चुटकुलों की वजह से तो है ना. He's just it's fun, it's weird. The situation is weird. The profession is weird. Even Justin Trudeau asked the same question. He's like, "How are you going to uh, explain your job title to your kids?" He asked this question to one comedian, US comedian. Forgot his name. No. So I've been also be comedian. So to join a stand-up comedians of a cities group, you have to be regular. You have to show up every single day for open mic. To build 15 minutes of material, you have to spend at least. You have to be on stage at least 600 times. You take a small joke, you perform every single day, or at an open mic. रात के 8 बजे you go to different cafes in and around the city. I'm from Hyderabad, so I used to go to different cafes. Garage Moto Cafe, this cafe, that cafe. 5-6 venues Monday to Friday. On Saturdays and Sundays, then you do those tested jokes on paid shows. So to build 15 minutes of jokes, it took me 8 months. So it can take longer than that. By the way, did you notice day 97? Arabic font. I didn't go for it, but it kind of, this is Arabic, this is the regular. So it took me so much time to build. It takes time. It to 1 hour for 1 hour of material, even for international comedians. I'm saying Kevin Hart, the guy who's almost perfect at stand-up comedy. These are the words of Dave Chappelle, another stand-up comedian. He's literally perfect at stand-up comedy. He's a rock star in stand-up comedy arena because he plays arenas, football arenas basically. His face is on a giant cube. He's so small, his face is on a giant cube and he was playing. My goal at one point was to play in Opal Stadium. It is possible. Manifestation. I am going to do it. I can literally see I visualize myself a lot doing big things. Very short amount of time. And it's not like if those things were to happen tomorrow, I will have a heart attack. I will absorb it very easily. Because I have bipolar. So in my mania, I have seen myself in doing grandiose things a lot of time. And almost reaching those grandiose things, they were at arm's length. I was a Nizam of Hyderabad when I was in 2019's episode 1. So every 2 years, I get an episode. So episode 1, episode 2, 21 I had second episode, then 23 I had third episode, and 25 I have fourth episode. So these are the 4 episodes of my bipolar disorder. So every disorder I was something else. In the last one, I didn't do anything extreme. I just spent money on my family, and on the flight ticket, that was the most expensive thing, 10,000 rupees just to travel uh, in 2 hours back. Because my mother, she noticed that I was speaking a bit different. She noticed कि while I was leaving only, I was behaving a bit different. So she didn't stop me. She was like, beta, reach as soon as possible. She's usually the Indian mother who would want me to save money, but when she noticed that I was not myself, she was like, beta, you come by flight. We know you went by flight. I didn't tell them that I was spending money on flight. I told them I was going by train. I didn't tell them truth. I just didn't disclose that information. Ticket book हो गया, हाँ book हो गया. किस में? I didn't know, because I didn't know a day before how I was planning to go and where I was planning to go. So Kerala trip is one of the most interesting things that happened to me in 2025, a day before my 26th birthday. And I have to give a huge thank to my mentor. I found a mentor in my life. Thank Subhanahu wa Taala, that he told me, he suggested that I go to this place and do visit these places. And yeah, and I met solo travelers. I learned a lot from solo travelers, and that's why I'm so positive. Even though I don't have a job right now, I'm trying, and my mother is literally motivating me to make YouTube videos. Dude, I don't need anyone. I don't need entire world support. I need your support if you are a viewer. But I would say fuck you to you at one point, because my own mother, one mother who birthed me, came out of her and she's telling me, she's pushing me to make videos every day. She's like, I'll pay you for, I'll give you pocket money also, because she has seen growth in YouTube of people who started with nothing. So she gives me an example of a lady whose husband is a Swiggy delivery driver. So this boy, and I know, you imagine the sort of how she lives in. She was not insecure about showing her lifestyle. She vlogged herself every single day. My mother showed me that she has 5K subscribers, and she got her AdSense, Google AdSense pin code. That now she started making money from YouTube. And it's not like the moment you get the pin code and you start making money, you have hundreds of videos that might go higher in views, and every video will start paying out. And what unfair advantage do I have in this world? I speak well. That's the only thing I have learned so far, because I am good at communicating. I have no money to literally nothing, but I have dated so many beautiful girls, and girls from rich families backgrounds. I At one point I was dating a girl whose family owned 6-7 bars and a casino, while I had what? I had nothing in my account. And what made her attracted to me, I don't know. Maybe my, yeah, that's all. That's all. This is what I have. Saraswati on my tongue, or and little humor. That's all. And looks, yeah. Now, bit chubby, yeah. But I got one chick while I was chubby also, and I lost weight after I was in a relationship, because my default state is to have abs and like sharp jawline and curly hairs. That's my default look of wow mujhe definition. And this is chat GPT is has a bobble head ka the theme, no? If you were to describe me, it would be me, curly hair, jaw, and parallels. Parallels is a device that I used to do handstands with, and a mic, and a book, and a my mobile with tripod. That would be my kit. And yeah, so every day I want to thank one person who subscribed, and I hope that person watches this video. And I love each and everybody, and I forgot to do the grateful things ka video, and I'm grateful that I have this t-shirt. This t-shirt was gifted by my sister. She paid for it, 200 rupees, but means a lot to me. A pants, a loan from somebody, everything. I hardly pay for things. I have people around me, my mother, my sister, my eldest sister, my dad, my nanny. Everybody loved me so much, dude. And I think that a lot of people have money and other things, but yet they are devoid of love, friendship, family, tasty food. access to a gym, able to speak effectively, eloquently, watch. I have a Netflix subscription from my ex-girlfriend. I have so many things, and I'm hopeful that my YouTube will grow. And it's up to you guys to comment and engage with the videos. If you watch it from start till end, I mean, if you are watching at this point, I'm sure you will watch the next video because I am that interesting person and I can make each and every video interesting enough so that you will watch from start to the beginning, from beginning till the end. Now I just have to man. I'm not gonna add extra clips. This is gonna be straight me solo podcasting and telling a story from start to the end. And today, what I was planning, my friend suggested me that I move to UK because he has a consultancy, and he's like, "Muji, why don't you move? You keep struggling with jobs and all. Why don't you move and be just like other people, other boys, and make a living?" I'm like, my mother wouldn't allow me because of my bipolar, of my mental health, which keeps me here. And she was like, "You go for travel." She was like, "You enjoy." या मेरे को गाड़ी का पेट्रोल के लिए पैसे नहीं है. I'm struggling to fill fuel in my bike, and she's like, "You go travel Europe, beta." She has good sense. I never thought of it. I have creativity. I have sense of humor. I have this drive in me to do new thing. Where do I get it from? It's from my parents. My mom is really good at cooking, bro. I can't appreciate this enough. So these days, while I'm at home, I'm trying to help her in the kitchen. Today I washed chicken, which I never did. I am helping her. I'm washing the dishes sometimes. My dad does the dishes in my house. He has been a very manly guy, muscular guy, for getting drunk and raging and fighting with people. He was that kind of guy. But these days he started helping around the house. He's doing dishes, so I take care of. I wanna engage in cooking as much as possible because that's how I'll bond with my mother. I wanna bond. Like, I'm 26 now, and it's time. I mean, it's her favorite activity to do, and if I learn that, then she will understand, where I stand. Cooking is an important skill I learned in my Kerala trip. I will make the whole video again, next video. But the trip was very lovely. I met so many interesting people. And so when I mentioned her going to the UK, she said straight, "No, we don't have the money. Even if we did have money, we would not allow you to go. Why you work on a YouTube? If you want money, I'll give you. You do the YouTube thing. You grow. If you want to start a business or a shop here, we'll look into that. But no going to out of India. No going to out of India." What a grammatical sentence I've created here. That's how this Anglo-Indians speak. अगर बोलना है चाय गरम करो, they will say make it hot. Every word to word it will be translated. There will be no grammatical correction or importance there. No importance to grammar. Just saying the words right out of the bat. But the only thing is they were born with speaking. They were born speaking English. This is my ex-girlfriend's family. Her mother is Anglo-Indian. Grandmother married to a British guy. She was born speaking English, but yet my English was better than her. So my unfair advantage, according to Ali Abdal also. Ali Abdal is a famous YouTuber. According to Ali Abdal, I can leverage my unfair advantage, which is speaking English well, into building my YouTube channel. I don't care about accent. I don't care about anything else. I have a good vocabulary. I communicate, I speak well. I can accentuate. I hope to land some corporate events where I can speak in public like this, holding a mic. And of course, I have stand-up videos. I'll upload those as well. And this is going to be the new format of my YouTube. Long videos every single day, and short videos of my daily life vlogs. Today I did whatever I did. I ate pani puri or whatever. I bought some chicken. We made biryani. We ate. We were all happy. Simple as that. Whatever exercise I do. So thank you so much for watching. Day 97 has been beautiful. I hope to see you for the next day, and I hope you're doing really well in your life. If not, things will change. There are two lives. The second one starts when you believe there is only one. What? No, there. We have two lives. The second one starts when you realize you only have one. Thanks so much for